Buckingham Palace is actually being pretty tight-lipped about Prince Harry's visit. He is reportedly following COVID-19 protocols before joining his family at Prince Philip's funeral, which is going to be held on Saturday. Now, yesterday, Prince Harry paid tribute to his grandfather by saying, quote, "He will be remembered as the longest reigning consort to the monarch, a decorated serviceman, a prince and a duke. But to me, like many of you who have lost a loved one or grandparent over the pain of this past year, he was my grandpa, master of the barbecue, legend of banter, and cheeky right till the end." Now, not too long ago, Prince Harry spoke fondly with late-night host James Corden about what it was like to Zoom with his grandmother, the Queen, and Prince Philip.
Does the Queen know how to use a Zoom?
Yes. Both my grandparents
This
do.
is crazy.
We've seen them a few times. They've seen Archie running around. But my grandfather, instead of like pressing leave meeting,
Yes.
he just goes, "Doof." He's like, bye, bye. And as I'm pressing, like, he just leans forward and goes, "Doof." I'm like, okay, bye.
And then now that you live here, what is life?
Such a fond memory for him to have shared with all of us. Well, Prince William also released a statement about his grandfather's passing. Quote, "I will never take for granted the special memories my children will always have of their great-grandpa, coming to collect them in his carriage and seeing for themselves his infectious sense of adventure as well as his mischievous sense of humor."
Okay, I'm still stuck on the fact that Harry said that his grandfather, you know, Prince Philip, was master of the barbecue.
I know!
I'm like, wait, so like Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip would kind of stand around the barbecue?
We're grilling back here today.